everyone, and welcome back. A lot of people had questions about how to use the new Revealing Radiance Peeling by Mary Kay. I have a review. If you missed it and you want to check it out, I'll have it on the top of the screen. But in this video, I'm going to concentrate more on how to use it, how to apply it to see the best results, and some things that you have to keep in mind before using this product. Number one is your skin needs to be clean. So you need to apply your cleanser. If you're going to use a brush, you can use a brush or whatever you use to apply your cleanser, and make sure that you remove your makeup previously to that. So the proper way to do it is at night, remove your makeup, clean your face with your cleanser, remove your cleanser, rinse it off completely, and then apply this peeling. Now when you apply it, it needs to be on dry skin, so make sure that you did remove all your makeup, you have your skin very clean, but it's dry to the touch. Then you're going to apply a thin layer. You're going to avoid the eye area, and you are going to massage it into the skin in little circles. That way you will see even more results, because it's just not sitting, but it's actually penetrating into your skin. Then you're going to leave it for 10 minutes. While you are waiting for those 10 minutes, there's going to be happening either you're going to feel it or you're not going to feel it. And what I'm talking about is some tingling sensation. If you have a tingling sensation like I do when I use this peeling, it's perfectly normal. You don't have to worry about it. But if you don't feel the tingling sensation, it means that it's working, but your skin is not as sensitive as other people. So it will be working regardless if you feel the tingle or if you don't feel that really tingly or maybe burning sensation at first when you first apply it. Again, it's something that you're gonna have to decide for yourself if it's something you're willing to do. But if you feel it, it's not uncommon to feel it, and I do every time I use it, and I've been using it for a month. Then you have to rinse it with warm water and pat dry. After that, you apply your serum and you apply your moisturizer. So pretty much this is the it will be in the place of a mask. You know, if you were going to do a mask, you would do the same. You'll clean your skin, you apply the mask, and then move on to your serums and moisturizers. Now, you have to allow 3 days in between uses. You can't use it every single night. And as I mentioned before, you do have to do it at night. Another thing is that if somebody told you that you can leave this overnight, they are wrong. I've heard many people saying that you can leave it overnight. I don't recommend it. These are acids that are safe for the skin, but they're not supposed to be for longer periods of time. So even though some people can see more results if they leave it overnight, in the long run, it's going to be something that will affect your skin, and I do not recommend it. So I hope that I can clear some things up with this video on how to use it, some things to keep in mind. If you use it every 3 days, you're going to see amazing results. You don't really have to use them every single day. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any tips or things on how to use better this product, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you on my next video.